Hi everyone, welcome to Cocktails and Dreams. I'm your host, Zack Prohaska. And in this video, guys, I'm gonna show you a really cool pour that's really gonna make you look like a pro, okay? Now, before I show you this cool pour, one thing, please promise me that you're going to practice it and master it before you use it, all right? Please don't just try it behind the bar, because if you drop, you're gonna make a mess. It's gonna make you look bad, and you're gonna make me look bad, all right? So make sure you practice before you use it, master it before you use it, all right? Because when you're behind that bar, you wanna be comfortable and confident when you use it, not praying to God that you hope you land it, all right? So practice it, master it, and then use it. And try it on a regular or a friendly guest, someone that you've got a good connection with, all right? Don't just throw it in there because I don't want you to drop, all right? Also, check me out on Instagram, guys, at CD Bartending. I am posting tutorials pretty much every day. Let me know what you want to learn in the comments below, and mention me in your practice stories. Guys, I'll share it on my Instagram. Hopefully I can get you some more following, but even more, I want to see your progress. I want to see you practicing, because guys, I tell you, this stuff works. You will make more money, I promise you. And last but not least, for all my beginner bartenders and all my beginner Flair bartenders, my online masterclass is now open, all right? Go to cdbartending.com, and I promise you, you're gonna get results really quick, all right? I'm gonna make you from a beginner into a pro very fast. All the moves, all the chapters are designed for speedy results. They teach you how to use it behind the bar with my system, and it's gonna make you look like a pro so you can make pro money, all right? So check out the link, cdbartending.com, check out the masterclass, and keep me posted on your progress, guys. I want you to experience all these amazing things in this industry, okay? I've been lucky to do it, you can do it too. All right, now, our cool pour looks just like this. And now, I'll break it down for you. All right, guys, so what we're doing is we're grabbing our tin with our left hand, we're crossing our body in a reverse grip, we're grabbing our bottle in our standard grip. We're just gonna go into a swipe through with a one rotation and follow with a pour, okay? Once we do that, we're gonna do another swipe through with a one rotation with the liquid inside. We're coming across, one rotation catch, all right? Now we're gonna do a simple transfer. We're gonna throw this bottle from our right to our left, just like this, nice and easy. While we're doing that, we're gonna do a one rotation with this tin over to the right-hand side, just like this, okay? All right, guys, I'll show you again. I'm grabbing my tin in my reverse grip, I'm grabbing my bottle in a standard grip, I'm doing a swipe through with a rotation, I'm going into a pour, I'm cutting, I'm doing another swipe through with a rotation, I'm gonna throw my bottle to my left, I'm gonna do a one rotation with the tin, just like that, and I'm gonna add that to my mixing glass, okay? I'll show you again. Grabbing both objects, swipe through and pour, I'm cutting, another swipe through, I'm doing a transfer with a one rotation, and then I'm adding that to my mixing glass. All right, guys, one last time. I'm gonna grab my tin, I'm going into a swipe through, I'm pouring, I'm cutting, one more, and the transfer, grabbing that tin and adding that to my glass. All right, guys, make sure you practice this move. Make sure you master it before you use it. Please don't drop behind the bar, and don't use it if you're already busy, all right, guys? Never slow down service to show off, all right? You wanna be quick, you wanna be fast, you wanna be confident, so don't ruin it for everyone else. Be a pro and make that pro money. Make sure you check out that masterclass, guys. I want you to make more money, all right? So check it out, make that money that you deserve, and I'll see you next week. Cheers. Hey, guys, if you like this video, don't forget to check out this one and subscribe. And also check out my masterclass, guys. It'll turn you into a pro real quick. All you gotta do is follow the videos step by step, and it'll take you from beginner to a bar star in no time, all right? So go check it out, make that money that you deserve. Check out my other videos too, all right? I'll see you guys soon. Cheers.